I'm going to take you through how you can download and install Roblox on your computer or your laptop. So first I'm going to head towards my browser. Remember, any browser at all you use is perfectly okay for this tutorial. So right now I'm using Chrome. I'm going to go to my Chrome and search for what? Roblox download. So Roblox download. Now I'm going to go to the official website of Roblox, which is what www.roblox.com/download. I'm also going to put the link in the description in case you want to click on the link directly. So I just click on this. Now this loads to the official Roblox website. So I'm going to click and download for my Windows. So I just click on this. Remember, this works for Windows 11 or Windows 10. So now my installer has been downloaded. So I'm going to click and go to the installer. So what we do is we are going to double click on this to install. Now it's going to tell you Roblox installation is loading. So we are just going to wait for some few minutes and for it to totally install for us. Okay, now you can see installation is done successfully. So it took us directly to what? Our screen. So you have two options, either to create or sign into an account. So since I already have an account, I'll just proceed and sign in for you to see. So I'm going to hit on sign in now. Now it's going to ask me to verify if I'm a bot. So you can see it's still verifying if I'm a bot. Okay, so you can see signing was successful. I'm able to sign in into my Roblox account. So that's how to download and install Roblox on your computer. If this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in another video.